Question number 1. Enzymes that perform physiological function are termed as allosteric enzyme, isoenzyme, non-functional enzyme, functional enzyme. Correct answer is option D, functional enzyme. Question number 2. Enzymes that do not perform physiological function are called as biosensor, isoenzyme, non-functional enzyme, functional enzyme. Correct answer is option C, non-functional enzyme. Question number 3. Which of the following enzyme hydrolyze alpha 1 for linkage in starch and glycogen to yield maltose? Transaminase, protease, alpha amylase, chymotrypsin. Correct answer is option C, alpha amylase. Question number 4. Amylase is found in at higher concentration. Pancreatic juice, milk, tears, urine. Correct answer is option A, pancreatic juice. Question number 5. Which of the following clinical condition does not show increase of amylase concentration? Diabetic ketoacidosis, cardiac arrest, salivary gland disorder, rupture, ectopic pregnancy. Correct answer is option B, cardiac arrest. Question number 6. Which of the following is not a clinical condition associated with amylase? Acute oliguric renal failure, acute pancreatitis, myocardial infarction, duodenal ulcer. Correct answer is option C, myocardial infarction. Question number 7. Which of the following is not a clinical condition associated with amylase? Liver disease, center of OD, macroamylsemia, pneumonia. Correct answer is option B, spinster of OD. Question number 8. Which of the following is a transaminase? Alpha amylase, chymotrypsin, proteinase, alanine transaminase. Correct answer is option D, alanine transaminase. Question number 9. Which of the following do not have high concentration of aspartate transaminase? Heart, liver, saliva juice, kidney. Correct answer is option C, saliva juice. Question number 9. Alanine transaminase is present in pancreatic juice, liver, saliva juice, colostrum. Correct answer is option B, liver. Question number 11. Which of the following is not a clinical condition associated with transaminase? Cardiac arrest, macroamylsemia, myocardial infarction, liver disease. Correct answer is option D, liver disease. Question number 12. Dash exit as inactive precursor in neutrophils. Alanine transaminase, proteinase, alpha amylase, chymotrypsin. Correct answer is option B, proteinase. Question number 30. Genetic deficiency of dash digest the pulmonary tissue. Alpha amylase, alpha 1 antitrypsin, transaminase, alpha 2 macroproteinase. Correct answer is option B, alpha 1 antitrypsin. Question number 40. Which of the following clinical condition the activity of creatine kinase is not seen? Muscular dystrophy, muscle disease, pancreatitis, myocardial infarction. Correct answer is option C, pancreatitis. Question number 50. Which of the following does not increase creatine kinase level? Injuries, intramuscular injection, macroamylsemia, vigorous exercise. Correct answer is option C, macroamylsemia. Question number 60. Dash are proteolytic digestive enzyme which hydrolyze the peptide bond between specific amino acid. Proteinase, exopeptidase, endopeptidase, alpha amylase. Correct answer is option C, endopeptidase. Question number 70. Proteolytic digestive enzyme which hydrolyze the peptide bond from the ends are referred to as proteinase, exopeptidase, endopeptidase, transaminase. Correct answer is option B, exopeptidase. Question number 80. Trypsinogen is activated by dash enzyme, transaminase, alpha amylase, enterokinase, proteinase. Correct answer is option C, enterokinase. Question number 90. Which of the following is an exopeptidase? Trypsin, chymotrypsin, elastase, carboxypeptidase. Correct answer is option B, chymotrypsin. Sorry, correct answer is carboxypeptidase is an exopeptidase. Question number 20. Which of the following reaction is not catalyzed by 5' nucleotides? Adenosine monophosphate to adenosine, inosine 5-phosphate to inosine, guanosine monophosphate to guanine, creatine phosphate to creatine. Correct answer is option D, creatine phosphate to creatine.